Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever dreamed of a mascara that does more than just coat your lashes, something that actually lifts, defines, and nourishes, then you're in for a treat today. We're looking at the Clarins Wonder Perfect Mascara, a product that promises to not only give you fuller lashes, but also care for them with a special Lash Boosting Complex. Let's dive right into the details and see if it truly lives up to the hype. Clarins is a brand known for merging skincare and beauty, and this mascara is no exception. With its blend of plant extracts and a unique lash boosting complex, it's designed to visibly lengthen, curl, and volumize lashes while offering long-wearing performance. It's alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and silicone-free, making it a good option for sensitive eyes or anyone looking for a more natural formula in their beauty routine. When I first tried this mascara, I was immediately impressed by the smoothness of the application. The formula has a rich, creamy consistency that glides on effortlessly without clumping. The brush itself is perfectly sized, giving you enough control to coat each lash from root to tip. What stood out the most during my first application was how easy it was to build volume without it looking overly dramatic or weighed down. Just beautifully defined lashes. I wore it throughout a busy day, and I have to say, the longevity really impressed me. It held up well, even through my morning coffee run and an afternoon meeting. There was no smudging, flaking, or need for touch-ups, which is a big win in my book. The mascara didn't irritate my eyes at all, which is something I always look for in formulas that are designed for sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. One of the main claims of this mascara is its ability to curl and lift lashes, and I'd say it delivers on that front. I didn't need to use an eyelash curler beforehand, and my lashes were noticeably more curled by the end of the day. For a mascara that promises a volumizing effect, it didn't leave my lashes looking overly thick or clumpy, just naturally full and fanned out. The only downside I encountered was that if you apply more than 2 coats, it starts to look a bit heavy. While that's not a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind if you prefer a more lightweight, natural lash look. Now, let's talk about the price. Clarins Wonder Perfect Mascara isn't the most affordable option on the market, but considering the high-quality ingredients, the skincare benefits, and the long-lasting wear, I think it's worth the investment for anyone who values both beauty and lash care. If you're on the lookout for something that can nourish your lashes while giving them that perfect lift, this is definitely a solid choice. Compared to other mascaras in a similar price range, I'd say it holds its own, particularly when you factor in the skincare aspect. Some other high-end mascaras may offer volume or length, but don't necessarily treat your lashes with the same care. And that's where this one shines. For those on a tighter budget, there are certainly good alternatives available. But if you're willing to splurge for a mascara that multitasks, the Clarins Wonder Perfect Mascara is a great option. As for the build quality, the mascara itself is packaged in a sleek, sturdy tube that's easy to store and won't leak in your makeup bag. The formula's longevity is impressive, lasting all day without fading or smudging. The mascara's staying power means you won't need to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. I've heard good things about Clarins' customer support, and while I didn't need to reach out personally, they're known for being responsive and helpful when it comes to inquiries or issues. If you're in the market for an alternative, there are other great mascaras out there, some even at a lower price point, but they might not deliver the same skincare benefits or have such a gentle formula. It really depends on your priorities. If long-lasting, smudge-proof, and lash-nourishing is what you're after, then this is a great pick. So, does the Clarins Wonder Perfect Mascara live up to its claims? I'd say it absolutely does. It's a well-rounded, high-performance mascara that offers volume, length, curl, and care. If you have sensitive eyes or are just looking for a product that goes the extra mile, this is definitely worth considering. If this review was helpful to you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this review too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest and thorough reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already tried this mascara, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.